Hello YouTube, today I will be showing you how to install maps in Minecraft Pocket Edition on Android. Have you guys been wondering on how to put maps, like you got cities and all that? Today I will be showing you. First you go to the Play Store and download maps for mcpe. You gotta install this one. It's on wherever you want, and then after you install it, you open it. Then you put browse maps. You gotta have internet for this. So let's put see something like that. I remember there used to be. It's only these two. See. There are many things. See, I just download high school. So and then you click the install button, and it'll install it, and then it says download complete. Open Minecraft Pocket Edition, and you will see the newly installed maps in your world. Just select and play. Okay. Now you go to Minecraft. You open it, and you gotta have Minecraft, so you put play. And here say high school. You wait until it loads, and here it is. Created by DL Lesson and all this for original map for scout only, whatever. See what it is for whatever. Now we go in, and here's the high school. And if you guys really enjoy this map, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos, tutorials on Minecraft Pocket Edition, glitches on GTA and all that. Please leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Oh my god, creeper! Leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.